So you want to learn AutoCAD? Let's get started with introduction to AutoCAD user interface. Okay, so first part is quick access toolbar. Here you can see this is called a quick access toolbar. So by default this folder window have some tabs like new, open, save all, plot, undo and redo. You can customize this quick access toolbar by pressing down key tab next to workspace list. So this is on down press key. So by this you can customize this quick access toolbar. Here you can see various options. You can plot these options by this tab. Next part is ribbon tab. Below quick access toolbar, you will find all ribbon tabs available in this workspace. So you can see below quick access toolbar. This part of AutoCAD software is called ribbon tabs. So default workspace is drafting and annotation. Different ribbon types offer different ribbon panels depending on your work. So for different ribbon types, there will be different panels. So in this you can find home, various options like home, insert, anode, parametric, etc., which provides various types of activities you may require while drawing particular design or forming particular design. Next part is search bar. So here you can see type a keyword or phrase. So this part of AutoCAD is called search bar. You can search any commands or information by entering any keyword or phrase here. So if you want to search any keyword or phrase, you can simply enter the name of that particular phrase or keyword here, and you can search the particular phrase. Next part is ribbon section. Here you can see this all this part of AutoCAD is ribbon section. This section is one of the most important section in AutoCAD where you can find almost every command necessary for drawing. This is your main toolbar area where you will find all tabs in panel format arranged as per their use. Ribbon is consist of panel. Some panel is associated with dialog boxes which can be used by pressing bottom right corner arrow tab or panel. Bottom right corner arrow tab is nothing but this. So by this you can edit this all this ribbon section and use various command according to your drawing requirement. Next is viewport controls. Here you can see written in top 2D wireframe. So this is nothing but viewport controls. This is on screen viewport controls from where you can change AutoCAD views and visual styles to different options like see you can see top, bottom, left, right. So according to your requirement, you can see the you can change the viewpoint of the your particular drawing. Now next is view cube. uh, this is here you can see is nothing but view cube. It also provides the facility to watch your drawing by the required point through view cube. You can see drawing elements from different view directions, and you can rotate the view by simply changing this view cube. This is also one of the best and necessary part of AutoCAD, which helps you for detailing your drawing by all the sides. Next part is navigation bar. Navigation bar is also one of the helpful part of AutoCAD. Here you can see this bar is called navigation bar. You can change its position or the you can locate this navigation bar on different sides of AutoCAD window. Uh, just wherever it comfortable for you, and it provides various commands like pan and zoom, move, etc. So it's also one of the necessary part of AutoCAD. Another way to use AutoCAD features is by run command from command line. Here you can see type a command. So this part of AutoCAD is called as a command line. It's one of the most helpful and necessary and by the way, all these parts are necessary, but this also one of them. So whichever the command you are going to use, like line or polyline or etc., anything. So this command will show up in this command box, or you want to use all these commands by simply keyboard method or anything. So you simply have to input the name of the command in this command box, and the command will show off. So this makes your productivity uh, increase and help you to draw all the design very comfortably. Next part is drawing area. This is a main area of model where you will create new drawing elements. This is infinite space area. So this the working area you can see is the drawing area. This is infinite. Whatever the dimension of your drawing, or whatever the size of this drawing, this area is infinite and you can comfortably draw any drawing which is necessary for you. Now the last part of AutoCAD interface is drawing setting and additional setting, which is one of the most necessary and important part. So in this part, here you can see this all part is called drawing settings. In this section you can find various commands like grid on, snap on, orthon. All these commands are very necessary. While when I'm for share next videos, I will explain all these commands in details in my next videos. So do subscribe so that you stay connected to me. And now the next is additional setting section. This section you can see is additional setting section. In this section you can find various commands like workspace switching and annotation monitor. This contains models, annotation, and some additional settings. This is available in drawing window status bar also. So all these parts are the uh, so AutoCAD interface contains all these parts, and all these commands, all these sections are very necessary while drawing, making a design in this AutoCAD software. I'm going to teach you all these sections and all these commands in details in my further videos. So stay connected. Thank you.